Introducing the Norwood Lumber Pro HD36. Whether you're a commercial sawyer looking to build a business and earn a good income, or a private woodlot owner looking to build your dream projects, the Lumber Pro HD36 is engineered big enough, rugged enough, and productive enough to handle it. The Lumber Pro handles logs 36 inches in diameter and saws beams and boards a full 28 inches wide. Standard, the Lumber Pro mills logs 13 feet long. Add extension sections to saw logs of any length, even 50-foot beams or post beam poles.
Jehovah babandi tunganire mirire ivo Jehovah asi unondi tunganire mirire ivo Jehovah anamu
The Lumber Pro cuts through hardwoods and softwoods alike. Boards come off the mill so smooth, it gives the term rough sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The commercial grade 16 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin is standard, or choose the more powerful optional 23 horsepower. A 240-volt electric motor is also available. The patented log rests automatically lock in place. Sight scales take the guesswork out of adjusting your rests. Rollers are provided for assisted log rolling, and the stops reposition quickly to act as board and can stops. Norwood owners can now easily access the log rests from the operator's side of the mill using Norwood's patented log rest actuators. Using the log rest actuators, the operator no longer needs to reach over the log to set the log rests. Simple to operate, the actuators allow for accurate adjustment up or down. Norwood is the only company that offers this time-saving device. Cross bunks are designed narrow to shed debris that could accidentally collect under cans, causing dimensional errors. Stainless steel bunk caps prevent staining of cants and boards. Logs and beams are securely clamped with the Lumber Pro's heavy-duty cam-operated log dogs. Most logs are not perfectly round or straight, and therefore often have a mind of their own when rotating and clamping them. Norwood's patented automatic dog assists tame those kind of logs by automatically following the log's contours and then holding the log firmly exactly where you want it. This streamlines the typical two-handed, two-step dogging process into a smooth one-step system. In many cases, a single auto dog will sufficiently hold the log securely, making secondary clamping unnecessary. Use two auto dog assists simultaneously for 100% automatic dogging. Norwood is the only company that offers this convenient feature. Some folks often put down the log deck of the Lumber Pro. Some say it's made of aluminum and therefore not strong. Others say it looks like Swiss cheese. So, to prove a point, we removed all normal center supports and suspended the log deck only at each end. We then loaded logs weighing almost 10,000 pounds across the deck where there were no supports. This, of course, puts much more strain onto the structure than normal.
Vana venyu Jehovah otiri vana venyu Jehovah
The Lumber Pros log deck is double-layered galvanized steel with engineered strengthening debossments. These debossments are the multiple concave structures shaped right into each layer. This enables both layers to precisely locate and nest together. A patented series of flanged bolts firmly lock them in place to give the structure greater strength and torsional stability than ordinary box beam type construction. With almost 5 tons loaded across the deck, with center supports removed, the total weight was much more than the biggest log you could ever build. Even